Hello there and welcome. Mark Castillo here. Welcome to the Facebook Live. And if you're watching this from YouTube, welcome to Mark Castillo's Freedom Breakthrough YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to share with you how to upload videos on YouTube. But before I get right into the content, if you're watching this from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a beat on the latest up-to-date information. This also helps support the channel and allows me to continue making videos like this. So earlier today, I got a question that came in from Ronald, and what he asked me was, could you do an over-the-shoulder tutorial on how to upload videos on YouTube? I'm not really that tech savvy. Ronald, I'd be more than happy to show that to you. And what I will say is I don't blame you for having that kind of issue, because I remember when I was first getting started with video marketing and I had to create my own YouTube channel and get into the process of uploading videos on YouTube. I had only been used to doing Facebook Lives and just keeping it to Facebook. But when I was told by my mentor, Rich Guzman, how powerful it is to leverage videos on YouTube, I went ahead and made my own YouTube channel and began the process of uploading videos. But there was more to it than just simply uploading a video. There were things like having a thumbnail, having relevant tags, having all these different sorts of things. And thankfully, in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to have in place so that you can be well on your way to going ahead and uploading your videos on YouTube. So what I'm going to do here right now is I'm going to go ahead and share my screen over here. So I'm going to take a moment to do that. Okay, so I'm on YouTube, right? What you want to do is you want to be on the YouTube homepage. But in order to access the upload video feature, you got to be logged in to your YouTube channel. And if you don't have a YouTube channel right now, I highly recommend that you go create one right now. There's some information on Google that you can look up on how to create your own YouTube channel. So go ahead and take the time to do that. Then you can come back to this video and continue on how you can start uploading videos on YouTube. So let me go ahead and full screen this so you can see it. Okay. See this plus sign with the video camera on here? You hover over it, it says create a video or post. So you click that, it'll give you two options, upload video, go live. So for the sake of this video, we're gonna click upload video. And then it's gonna ask you to select files to upload. Now, I wanna make a note here. Where it says, let me just magnify this up here. Where it says public, you want to click this and you want to put it unlisted. Very important. So once you take care of that, you're going to hover over this screen with the arrow here. You're going to click that. And for this example, we're just going to use a video I already did already. So we're going to go ahead and use this video, for example. Now, while your video is uploading, depending on the length of your video, it can either take a short amount of time to upload a video, or it can take a very long time to actually go ahead and get your video uploaded. So in the meantime, what you want to do is you want to focus on getting your title up. Now, with creating titles, it's very important that you create a captivating title that will stand out when you go on right ahead and upload this to YouTube so that it stands out in the search engine. And another thing in titles, you want to include your targeted keyword in this title, because otherwise, if you don't include your targeted keyword in your title, then what's going to happen is chances are your video's not going to be found and no one's going to be really seeing it. So once you take care of that, you're going to go ahead and make a video description. Now, you don't want to just put a vague, uninteresting description. You want to go ahead and take the time to structure this in a way that's going to stand out. Now, if you're doing video marketing, what I recommend that you do is you create a short video, thorough video description, briefly explaining about what your video is about. Don't give away all the content. And then on the bottom half, you want to include your links below. So you want to go ahead and do that. Then over here, you want to include tags. Now with tags, you want to make sure that you include relevant tags, because what's going to happen is that you're going to hurt your search rankings when this video is uploaded to YouTube. So it's very important that you only add relevant tags that are relevant to your video. Very important. And also, another bonus tip here, you want to make sure that the targeted keyword that you're targeting in your video is in the file name of the video that you're uploading. It's very important that you do that, because according to YouTube, YouTube favors the targeted keyword in the file name of the video as opposed to the title. So once you do that, you want to go ahead and make sure that you also do a thumbnail. Now, yesterday, I just did a video on how to make a YouTube thumbnail using this tool that I've used to create my own unique thumbnail. So if you haven't already, be sure to check out that video when you get the chance. So what we're going to do over here is we're going to click Custom Thumbnail. And then we're just going to go ahead and pick a thumbnail. Okay, so for this example, let's say we're just going to use this one. Okay, so we have our thumbnail uploaded. Now, what I will say with the YouTube thumbnail is you want to make sure that it's not over 2 megabytes. Because if your YouTube thumbnail is over 2 megabytes, it's not going to accept it. So what happens if you run into that problem that it's telling you that your YouTube thumbnail is too big? Well, there's a free resource that I'm going to show you here right now. It's called resizing.net. Now, I'll leave a link in the description below this video so you have access to this link. The brilliant thing about resizing this image using this website, it's absolutely free, doesn't cost anything. It will absolutely resize, I should say, your YouTube thumbnail to the file size under 2 megabytes. And what YouTube recommends for the YouTube thumbnail is you want to make sure that you upload 1280 by 720. So I just want to go ahead and share that bonus tip with you. Now, what we're going to do from here is we're going to go to Advanced Settings. And you want to just make sure that you leave all of this default. Don't touch anything, just leave it as is. But what I will say here is you want to make sure that let me magnify this up here. You want to make sure that for video language, you select English and then choose the appropriate category for your video. Now, I will admit this up front. With the videos I've done in the past, I haven't been placing them in the right category. So it's important that when you're uploading a video to YouTube, you want to make sure that you pick a category that's relevant to the video that you're talking about. So if you're talking about a how-to video, like for example, I just uploaded a video to YouTube on how to make a YouTube thumbnail, I would choose education for this specific video. You want to make sure that you do that, because it doesn't make sense if you're talking about a marketing video and then you put it under comedy. doesn't make sense. Or if you're talking about mindset and then you put it under films and animation, that doesn't make sense either. So you want to make sure, take a note that you want to make sure that you put the right category for your video. You can absolutely find that in advanced settings. So we hover back over here to basic info. You just give this video some time to upload. And what you can do, so for the sake of time for this video, I'm going to go ahead and cancel this upload because this is actually a video I already uploaded to YouTube. What we're going to do is we're going to go to YouTube Studio. So when your video is uploaded, you click on your channel icon, you're going to go to YouTube Studio as you just saw me do a moment ago. And then you're going to click on Videos. And then you're going to find that you have your video already uploaded. Now, what you want to do for this next step is once your video is uploaded, you want to make sure that you add some YouTube cards to your video. You want to make sure that you add an end screen. And then once you've done that, so I'm going to actually show you how to actually do that. So for cards, it's very simple. Just click on here. And then you can add a card. You have the option to do that. You can either add a video or playlist, a channel that you're promoting, another channel, or encourage based on poll. But for the sake of this example, this is just how you can add YouTube cards. So we're gonna exit out of here. And then for end screen. So let's take a moment to look at that. Okay, so for end screen, what you can do is you can do the same thing with like you do with YouTube cards. You can add the subscribe button at the end of your video. You can promote another channel, or you can add another video or playlist to the latter. So that's what you can do for YouTube cards. Now we're going to exit out of here. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure, since we set it to unlisted, you want to make sure that you click where it says, let me get this out of the way here. See where it says visibility? You want to make sure that you click on this, and you want to make sure you set this to public. Then once you've selected public, click done, and then you want to make sure that you hit that save button. This button will usually turn blue when you're switching it from unlisted to public. Well, since I already uploaded this video, it's not doing it for this video. But normally, when you upload a video as unlisted and then you switch it over to public, this will turn blue. So you want to make sure that you save that. And then to view the video itself, you can easily go where it says video URL. You can click on that. And there you go. You have your video uploaded to YouTube. And what I also recommend that you get is you get TubeBuddy so that you can actually go ahead and follow best practices. This will actually show you your data. And what's great about using TubeBuddy is you can actually use this to also look at other people's videos so that you can look at their data. And not only that, but you can look at their tags. So once you've gone ahead and uploaded a video to YouTube, you want to make sure that you're the first person to like this video. And then you want to go ahead and make sure that you leave a comment of some sort. You want to make sure that you heart the comment as well as pin the comment as well. As you can see, I clearly went ahead and done that. I'm not so sure why YouTube favors it that way. I suppose it's to trigger the algorithm, but don't quote me on that. And once you've gone ahead and done that, then you can go ahead and click this share button right over here, and you can share this out to Facebook, Twitter, or any of your other social media. Okay, so let me go ahead and hop on back over to my regular video screen here. Okay, so Ronald, I trust that answers your question, and I trust you got value out of this video. Now you know how to upload videos into YouTube in a simple way that's not going to be too complicated. So if you enjoyed this video, I want to make an announcement to you. I have a very special offer going on just for you. It's going to be some great information. I'm going to be hosting it on the Facebook Live at 4:30 p.m. on Thursday. So that's going to be in 2 days from now. And what better way to actually get your hands on some great information? And one of the things that I will tell you up front is I'm going to be sharing with you how you can get your hands on my video marketing outline that I use for YouTube so that you can go ahead and have everything in place when you're going ahead and going through the process of uploading videos to YouTube, so that you don't have to worry about coming up with the title, the description, the tags on the spot when you're going ahead and uploading your video. So be on the lookout for that Facebook Live on Thursday at 4:30 p.m. I'm going to be rolling out there. It's going to be awesome. You won't want to miss it. And with all that said, my name is Mark Castillo. See you on the next video real soon. Take care and see you around.